What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but I have a lot going on. I'm finishing up my cosmetology school on top of being a full-time hairstylist, on top of everything else. So we're just gonna jump right into this video. So I reinstalled this 2-year-old wig. I added some pink highlights in it, and I did a few cute little hairstyles with it. So you already know we did the ball cap, we put the wig on. I put the same makeup I put on the ball cap onto the lace, and then I'm prepping her skin. I'm going to clean it with 91% alcohol and then spray a skin guard on it. And then I apply 4 layers of glue, allowing each layer to dry in between.
Right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right around the love, right around talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. But never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want it to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest tonight. I want it, I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
Alright, and after the lace has been laid down, I'm now going to put her elastic band on. And while that is melting in, I'm now going to start her styling.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wants mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, we're rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner, till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close?
Alright, now I'm about to create her fishtail braid. I'm trying to, it's pretty hard to explain how to do it, but you just take the right one and then put it under the left one. And then you continue doing that with the left one, put it under the right one, and then you do it just back and forth.
You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die.
Alright, and now we are getting into the baby hairs. So I do curl mine upward, and then I just apply a light gel and start swooping. and now I'm about to add in some layers, and then I am going to finish styling. Alright, and after you finish curling, you want to just pretty much freestyle on your bun on how you want it to look. So you just want to mess with it, pin it up, and tease the hair just so it can give that full look. And that's pretty much the whole look. This look is really simple, really easy to do. Just because it's a messy look, I feel like that makes it really easy. So I didn't get the actual pin up bun part on the camera because my camera had died, but I'm going to show you guys the videos of how it looked after, right after this video ends. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm finally at 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will have more content for you guys next week.